Okay, this here looks like the extent of where the fire jumped the Mount Jackson fire line that our dozer buddies put up in the middle of the night. That goes way, 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 way down there. And this is near the top. It must be because it's steep. And it's a very safe walk down there. The fire's nowhere near that fire line for the entire distance. Only here is where I see it, at the end of my little hike. And this looks like the way it should be when fires clean forests out before they get too much fuel burden. I mean, look at that. The trees are just fine, and this has it's into the fire away. So there's one fir back directly behind me. I think it's gonna make it. It's got some side branches going a bit, but it's holding up well.